Good morning, I'm Peter Bartinik, a board-certified civil trial attorney practicing law here in Connecticut. Today's topic is, what is MedPay? First, let me explain what MedPay is, then I'll explain a little bit more about it. But MedPay is medical payments insurance as part of your automobile policy. So it's part of your automobile policy that pays medical bills. So distinguish that from your health insurance policy that will also pay medical bills. MedPay is part of your automobile policy. Some other points about MedPay. MedPay is optional. The state of Connecticut does not require that you purchase MedPay. Many people have it and they actually don't realize it. I would say most people don't have MedPay, and many of the ones who do have MedPay don't realize they have it. So it's one of the things we check when a client comes to us. We want to determine if they have MedPay for various reasons. Common amounts for MedPay insurance is maybe 5, 10, even as high as 25. I'm sure you can get more insurance, but the common amounts are $5,000 or $10,000. So MedPay pays medical payments from a car crash. MedPay will pay regardless of who's at fault. So if the other person's at fault and you have it on your policy, you can have those MedPay benefits. If you're at fault, you can also receive those MedPay benefits. Many people also have health insurance. So you might say, why would someone need to have MedPay if they already have health insurance? That's a good question, that's a good point. They may not need to have MedPay, but the advantage in that situation would be most health insurance plans have deductibles and copays. So MedPay will pay regardless of the deductible or copay that you have in your health insurance plan, and I've never seen a MedPay policy that has a deductible or a copay as part of that plan. So MedPay is useful even if somebody already has health insurance. If you happen to have the greatest health insurance plan that has no deductible and no copay at all, then you should take a look at your automobile policy, and if you have MedPay on it, you probably don't need it. Those are some key points with MedPay. Another important point with MedPay is that in many instances, if somebody does have health insurance and their medical bills are paid for through health insurance, at the end of your case, those health insurance bills are going to be reimbursed. So if you've got $10,000 worth of medical bills, $100,000 in medical bills, whatever those bills are paid for by your health insurance. At the end of the case, that money is reimbursed back to your health insurance company most of the time. When medical bills have been paid by MedPay, MedPay does not get reimbursed. That's what MedPay is. So to sum up, MedPay is medical payments benefits on your automobile insurance policy. They pay for your medical bills in the event that you're in a car crash, regardless of whether it's your fault or someone else. That's what MedPay is. I hope that information is useful. Have a good afternoon. Bye-bye.